function of protein in nutrition. Imagine this. You're building a house. You have the blueprint, the design, and the materials, but none of it will come together without the right structure. This is where protein comes in, acting as the building block of your body. When it comes to nutrition, protein is one of the most vital nutrients that keeps us functioning at our best. Without it, the body simply cannot grow, repair, or maintain the structures that make us who we are. Protein is the foundation of life, not just a macronutrient, but the very essence of what holds our body together. It's essential for everyone, whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, someone trying to maintain muscle mass, or just someone trying to live a healthier life. But why exactly is protein so critical? The answer lies in how the body uses it. Protein is broken down into amino acids, which are the building blocks for muscles, tissues, enzymes, and hormones. It's involved in cell regeneration, immune function, and even the production of enzymes that help with digestion. In other words, it's involved in almost every process in the body. Imagine a well-oiled machine that runs seamlessly. That's your body. When you give it enough protein, it runs efficiently, smoothly, and with strength. But there's a problem. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook protein, especially when we rely on fast food or processed snacks. People often underestimate its importance, thinking that carbs and fats are the primary players in a diet. But protein deserves its place at the table, and without it, you'll notice your energy levels dip, your muscles weaken, and even your immune system suffer. What if you could start making protein a priority in your meals? The benefits are undeniable. From better muscle recovery to enhanced cognitive function, adding protein to your meals can dramatically improve your overall well-being. The next time you sit down for a meal, ask yourself, am I giving my body the building blocks it needs to thrive? Now that we understand the foundational role protein plays, let's talk about its most visible function: muscle building and repair. Whether you're trying to build muscle, recover from a workout, or just maintain your strength, protein is the key. After all, muscles are made up of protein. When you exercise, particularly with strength training, you're creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's when your body repairs these tears that muscle growth happens. But the process of repairing muscle fibers requires protein. Think of protein as the construction crew rebuilding and strengthening your muscles after they've been broken down. Without enough protein, your body can't repair muscles properly, and your progress will be hindered. So if you're pushing yourself in the gym or living an active lifestyle, protein becomes even more crucial. But it doesn't stop there. Protein is necessary for the maintenance of muscle tissue as well. Over time, muscles can begin to shrink if not properly nourished. This is especially true as we age. Without sufficient protein intake, your muscles won't just remain stagnant, they could actually weaken. Maintaining muscle mass is crucial for metabolic health, as muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. So, it's not just about building muscle, it's also about preserving it as you age. Protein plays a huge part in muscle recovery after exercise too. That post-workout meal you grab, the one with protein and carbs, that's the fuel your muscles need to recover and grow stronger. It's when you consume protein after exercise that you're giving your muscles what they need to repair and grow. Protein also helps prevent muscle loss during times of illness, fasting, or calorie restriction. So when you're recovering from a tough workout or simply trying to preserve your muscle mass, protein is your go-to nutrient. Imagine having the power to not only grow your muscles, but protect them as well. By ensuring your body gets enough protein, you give yourself the best chance for muscle strength, endurance, and overall physical vitality. While protein is well known for its muscle benefits, its influence stretches far beyond that. Protein plays a vital role in maintaining a strong immune system and supporting the production of hormones that regulate various body functions. Your immune system relies on protein to produce the antibodies and enzymes that fight off infections and illnesses. Think of protein as the defender of your health, helping your body fight off invaders like bacteria and viruses. Every time your body comes in contact with an infection, protein plays a pivotal role in producing the antibodies that help you recover. Without enough protein, your immune system becomes weak, leaving you vulnerable to illness. But that's not all. Protein is crucial for the production of hormones. Hormones are the chemical messengers in your body that regulate everything from metabolism to mood. These proteins are involved in producing essential hormones like insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar, and thyroid hormones, which control metabolism. Even growth hormones, necessary for development and cellular repair, are derived from protein. Imagine your body as a well-coordinated team with proteins acting as the leaders and communicators, ensuring everything functions smoothly. If you lack the protein required for hormone production, you may experience disruptions in metabolism, appetite regulation, or even mood swings. It's clear without protein, your body's internal communication can break down, affecting everything from your physical health to your mental well-being. Protein is also essential in creating enzymes that help with the breakdown of food and digestion. Without protein, the digestive system wouldn't be able to function properly, and you'd be unable to absorb the nutrients you need to thrive. In fact, every single process in your body, from muscle repair to immune defense to digestion, relies on protein. Protein is truly the powerhouse that keeps everything running smoothly. So the next time you consider skipping that protein-rich meal or snack, remember this: protein isn't just important for muscles. It's critical for your immune health, your hormone balance, and your overall bodily functions. By fueling your body with enough protein, you're ensuring that all systems are working in harmony. So we've established how essential protein is for muscle growth, immune function, and hormonal health, but what about the bigger picture? How does protein fit into your overall health and wellness plan? The key is balance. While protein is essential, it's important to remember that a healthy diet requires all the nutrients in the right proportions. Protein needs to be paired with healthy fats, complex carbs, and a variety of vitamins and minerals to provide a well-rounded diet that supports long-term health. When planning your meals, think about how you can incorporate quality protein sources into every meal, whether it's lean meats, plant-based proteins, legumes, or dairy, and remember, quality matters. Protein from whole food sources like fish, eggs, beans, and nuts is always better than processed protein found in shakes and bars. Not all protein sources are created equal, so focusing on nutrient-dense options is key. Another important aspect of protein is timing. If you're an active person or someone looking to preserve or build muscle, it's beneficial to spread your protein intake throughout the day. Studies have shown that evenly distributing your protein intake between meals helps your body utilize it more effectively for muscle repair and growth. So don't just save your protein for one big meal. Instead, aim for balanced meals and snacks that provide protein throughout the day. The best part is, it doesn't take much to see the impact of consistent protein intake. A diet rich in protein, balanced with healthy fats and carbs, will lead to better muscle health, immunity, hormonal balance, and overall vitality. Imagine the possibilities when you give your body the fuel it needs to succeed. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living well. Protein is an essential part of the equation, but the real secret to health lies in finding the right balance in your diet. So, how will you balance your meals to ensure you're getting the right amount of protein each day? The answer is simple. With intention, you can fuel your body with the right foods, and by doing so, you'll find yourself healthier, stronger, and more energized than ever before. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Nutrition and Rise.